A-Camera Marker.
Hi, I'm Hector Vega. I'm here today at the 2026 Hot Copper Car Show in Copperopolis, California. I am with the Copperopolis Lake Tulloch Lions Club. We have approximately 180 beautiful classic and current cars.
It's got a good story. It's my dad's truck. So it's a 1950 Chevrolet 5-window. Was my dad's truck. It's been in my family over 50 years. I did all the wood graining as all paint also. It's got an Art Morrison chassis with a LT1 350 with a Sniper fuel injection, 700R with overdrive, which is nice. Vintage air, Dakota digital gauges, high digit steering column, a lot of the goodies, creature comfort stuff.
The next one, of course, is Best Muscle Car Early. And for that is number 26237. Laura Estrella with a 1967 Camaro RS Convertible. Congratulations.
Hi, my name's Laura. I drive a 1967 Chevy Camaro RS. It is all original interior. It's got its second paint job. It has the blueprinted 327. It has 70,000 miles on it, original miles, and I love to drive it. It's a 4-speed manual. Has a full master exhaust. It's got ceramic coated hooker headers and a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. I do all the work on it myself.
I'll pass.
I don't know how we're going to drive all these cars out of the lot.
Took 7 years to build it. It's got an Art Morrison chassis. It's got 383 stroker with a supercharger, and got Ludnick wheels. It's red and black. It's a 1956.
'57 Chevy pickup. Bought it in 1995 and drove it through high school a little bit, and finally got it here just a couple months ago. Finished up. '57 Chevy pickup here. It's a small block Chevy.
'57 Belair. It came originally with a fuel injection when I purchased it, and then fuel injection didn't run right, the original, so surprise, surprise, we did a frame off, 9-inch Ford Willwood, 383 Tramac Curie rear end, and just basically completely rebuilt the car.
I have 4 storage units. Oh, you love to live in this guy's head. I love the world he lives in, man. Hey.
What?
Hello?
Yeah, this is a 1929 Ford Model A Deluxe, and what makes it a Deluxe is that it's got the little jump seat in the back. The vehicle is all metal.
except for the fourth fenders, which are fiberglass, and everything on the car is what came when it was manufactured, including the original license plate.
Literally filmed.
So my name is Clint Parrish. This is my 1965 Flag Mustang. I bought this car in 1989, the week I turned 18. I had it through my time in the Army and through college and in my graduate work. And then in about 2015, I decided I wanted to do something really special with it. I served in the Army. My family's a lot of military. And I wanted to do something special with it, so I found a guy who would paint it this incredible American flag paint job. I got a new engine put in it. It's a 302. It's got air conditioning that originally came with it. And if you can see the doors, I got vertical open doors put on it. But like I said, I've had this car since 1989. It's been through a couple iterations, and it's now just a show and parade car out of Sonora, California.
I don't know how we're going to drive all these cars out of the lot.
All right, so this award is the Roaring Lions Award, which is picked by Lions, okay, the local Lions, and we just go around and we do our best job to pick out the car that we like in, out, and around. This year's winner of the Roaring Lions Award are number 26914, and it is John and Debbie Abernathy with a 52 Dodge pickup. That is fantastic. The paint, if you haven't seen that one, it was gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, over the top. Congratulations.
Well, it's a 1952 Dodge B3B. My grandfather bought it in Stockton when it new, and it's been passed down to my dad and me, and probably will just keep going to my kids. And it was originally green and black. Then we painted it. My older son drove it to high school. We painted it two-tone blue, and then decided we'd fix it, hot rod it, and
That's nice.
it's about a 15-year project that we've just finished about 2 months ago.
Then you get a later model, pull that thing.
Good afternoon, my name is Don Johnson. I'm the owner of a 1958 Dodge Power Wagon, Power Giant. I've been working on the project for 4 or 5 years, tore the whole thing down. What's unique about this truck is it's one of 180 manufactured in this configuration for 1958. It's got the single headlight, the V8, the high-low 4x4 four-wheel drive. Tore the whole thing down. It's on a 1998 Blazer chassis. It's got a Mopar 360, a rough country 4-inch lift, a 727 auto torque flight automatic transmission, speed hut gauges with GPS sensing, and it put a lot of time and effort into it, and would love if you like and reply to the YouTube channel and show your appreciation.
My name's Jim Curtis. Yeah, so I bought it on eBay. I actually didn't win the bid, and I told the person selling it that if he didn't sell it to whoever did win the bid, I would come up and get it. So a week later, the guy called me, so I went up to Oregon. I guess by the time I drove it out of the driveway, I thought, well, I'm buying this. And so brought it home and took it apart, had the body on one side, the frame on the other side of the garage, and just kind of went at it. So over the years, I put a 94 Camaro LT1 in it, and so it's got overdrive and computer controlled and all the stuff you'd like, disc brakes and air conditioning. And so, yeah, I like to drive it. I think I've put 30 some odd thousand miles on it since I got it. Took it to South Dakota for a Nomad convention, and this year I'm taking it to Kalamazoo, Michigan for a Nomad convention. So I like to drive it. My brother's going with me. The wives are flying. Should be a fun week. Anyway, I love purple. Love the car. It's been good.
All right, the next one is hottest hot rod early. But this is the hottest hot rod early, and I kind of looked for a car that might be fit that perfectly, and it does. And it's pick number 26193, Kent Wiegand, and his 26 Model T right over there. Congratulations, Kent. Yeah, 100 years ago. Okay, here's the big one. I understand this is the first show that this car has been to, which was kind of an honor for us too. And if you've taken a look at this car, the detail is amazing. Best of show for Copperopolis 2026 goes to number 26104, Jack Wilson, the 37 Osrod right over there. Jack, awesome car. Thank you.
I've seen it before.
I'm Jack Wilson. I just built this 37 Ford. We just finished it. Today was our first time out. We built it at home. I have a builder that works for me in my shop at the house, and it's been about a 10-year project. I've built other cars and kept putting the other cars in front of this car. Finally finished it.